Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change video background using KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to add the background for our video. I'm just going to select video from the KineMaster library or KineMaster video asset. I'm going to go to the video asset and I'm going to select this heart-shaped background. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to add my video. So I'm going to go to the layer and select media. Okay, and then I'm going to choose video from this folder. Okay, for example, I'm going to select wait guys, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and to make the process faster, I'm going to cut the video. Okay, like this. And wait, let me adjust the video. I'm going to make it full screen. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the background of this video. So I'm going to go to the magic remover feature, this one, and then we just need to wait until the background has been removed. Okay, and I think I need to pause this video and I'll be right back if the process complete. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see that the background of my video has been changed, and this is for the result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.